How to make a basic inverting circuit. For those that don't know, a breadboard is connected as followed. All the holes along the red lines are connected, as well as the black line. All the holes going across that are parallel with the blue line are connected, and all the purple lines are examples of how the breadboard is not connected. Parts needed: a breadboard, a switch, a 1000 ohm resistor, two 470 ohm resistors, a 9-volt battery, a hex inverter, two LEDs, and some wire. Assembly. Please note that the schematic for the hex inverter is in the description below. Begin by placing the hex inverter over the gap on the breadboard with the semicircle to the right. The pins may need to be adjusted to fit in the breadboard properly. Now, based off of the schematic for the hex inverter, connect pin 7 to ground and pin 14 to power as shown. Place the switch to connect pin 1 to ground. If you have extra switches, always leave them open. Use a small piece of wire to connect pin 2 and 3, pushing it down as far as possible to reduce the chance of creating a short circuit. Using a long wire, connect pin 4 to any open row. This will create space for later components. Add a 1000 ohm resistor from pin 1 to power. Most likely the switch will be in the way. If this is the case, then connect the resistor to any open row and connect that row to power. Now take one of your LEDs. You will notice a flattened side on the LED base. This side is known as the cathode side. Connect it facing away from the row with the long wire. Then connect the cathode to a 470 ohm resistor that is attached to ground. Now take the second LED and connect its cathode to the row with the long wire. Attach the other side to a 470 ohm resistor that goes to power. Now take the 9-volt battery pack, connect the black wire to the negative column and the red wire to the positive column. At the base of the breadboard, take a strip of wire and connect the positive column on the left side to the outer column on the right side to power both sides. Take another strip of wire and connect the negative column on the left side to the first column on the right side to ground both sides. Testing. Now turn on the battery pack and one of the LEDs should come on. By flipping the switch connected to pin 1, the LED should switch. This means the inverting circuit is correct.